Paint 3D window. The main components of the Paint 3D window are listed below. Options tool, title bar, menu bar, brushes tool, 3D shapes, zoom slider, names toggle tool, brush options, canvas, color palette, title bar. It displays the name of the program and the name of your drawing on the top left corner. On the top right corner, there are window control buttons, that is minimize, maximize and close buttons. Menu. It displays options such as New, Open, Insert, Save and Save As. Canvas. It is the area where you can create or draw shapes, or you can say it is the drawing area of Paint 3D. Brushes tool. It opens a panel on the right side of the drawing area and displays brush options and color palette. Brushes option. It displays 10 brush options in the panel on the right side. It also displays 2 sliders for the thickness and opacity. You can adjust the thickness and opacity of the type of brush you are using either by entering a value in the value box provided next to their name or by using the slider found beneath the option. Color palette. It displays the color options available with an option to add more color and effects like matte, gloss, etc. 2D shapes. It replaces brushes option and displays a 2D shapes library with options like line and curve and 2D shapes to select from. 3D shapes tool. It replaces the brushes option and displays options like open 3D library, 3D doodle, 3D objects and 3D models to select from. It also displays drop-down option to choose a material which is set as custom by default. Names toggle tool. It is on the right side of the toolbar. This tool has an option for hiding or showing the tool names. Options tool. It displays options such as select, crop, magic select, 3D view, mixed reality and zoom slider.